Okay, I just got in from beating the Kraton up. And this is the rear diff. Yeah, I was out there for about an hour beating it up. So, yeah, I got back in and I discovered that my rear diff was locked up. So I started to get all excited, like, oh my God, I might have actually broke the rear diff. I might have actually broke a diff in this car. Oh my God. And yeah, it wasn't nothing really awesome like the bloody ring and pinion blowing up. It was something more pathetically obvious, like chipping off a tooth on one spider gear, two spider gears, third spider gear is just mangled. Wow. This one's fine. And a little nip in one of the pin holders. And that's it. So, yeah, I mean, I guess you can call it being blown. But it's nothing exotic like the ring and pinion blowing up. Like on armored cars, or the sun gears exploding. It's the little crappy centered spider gears. Which is pretty much what I thought would break on this car if anything would actually break on the diff. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, I have it backing up and running in a couple of minutes, so it really doesn't matter. I don't think anybody is gonna be able to wreck this thing. I mean, this is one awesome piece of metal. Seriously. Oh well, I'll leave it at that.